Have you ever organized your room and realized that you put similar or related objects near each other and completely different objects farther away? This is similar to how scientists construct a cladogram. Cladistics is a systematic method of classification which uses shared derived characters to make a cladogram. A cladogram is a branching diagram that represents the proposed phylogeny, or evolutionary history, of a species or group. Cladistics assumes that each group has an ancestor that other species do not share. The cladogram in our example shows how 4 very different species could develop from a common ancestor. The common ancestor would be at the bottom of the diagram. The cladogram is constructed by sequencing the order in which the derived characters evolved with respect to the outgroup. The outgroup is the species that has more ancestral characters with respect to the other organisms being compared. In this example, mollusks are the outgroup. The closeness of the clades in the diagram indicate the number of characters shared. The group that is closest to echinoderms shares the most derived characters with echinoderms, and shares a more recent common ancestor than with groups farther away. Each line that breaks away from the main line is called a node. The nodes where the branches originate represent a common ancestor. Thus, echinoderms and arthropods have 3 derived characters in common, so they share a more recent common ancestor than echinoderms and mollusks. Now you see how scientists organize species based on shared characters, similar to how you organize your pens and pencils, together, separated from your awesome collection of music.